I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding the raw profile data because recovery depends on intact files. First, enable hidden items and go to %local app data %Google/Chrome/user data. You need to see folders like default or profile 1. Once located, check modified dates and look for bookmarks, login data, and preferences files. These contain your essentials. Make a copy of the entire user data folder to a safe location immediately. So any next steps are reversible, you must operate on the copied folder with Chrome fully closed to avoid corruption. Replace files in the copied profile, bookmarks, preferences, login data, into a freshly created profile folder if Chrome created one. If Chrome doesn't list the profile, edit the local state file, after backing it up, to include the profile entry or rename the folder to match the expected profile label. This helps Chrome recognize and load the restored data. Make sure file permissions match the user account before launching Chrome. Now open Chrome and confirm your bookmarks, extensions, and saved passwords are present. Sign into your Google account to trigger sync and recover anything missing from the cloud. If Chrome fails to load the profile correctly, close it and check file integrity and ownership again, then retry. As a final troubleshooting tip, use Windows File History, System Restore, or your backup image to restore the entire user data folder if individual file swaps don't work. Those system-level restores often recover deleted profiles reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.